Hello students, welcome you all guys, welcome you all to CAT YouTube channel. I am Ankit Sharma and we are going to solve this question from CAT 2022 guys, from slot 1. So let's read the question first guys. For any natural number n, suppose the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression is n plus 2n square. If the nth term of the progression is divisible by 9, then the smallest possible value of n is what? And these are the options guys, 4, 8, 7, 9. So students, this was one of the very good questions from your exam, but if you think logically guys, it is going to be not that much tricky or not that much difficult for you. Okay, so first of all, we can solve this question by two methods guys, and we are going to use both the methods. Okay, the first method is what guys? N plus 2n square. So let's think like this. Sum of n terms is given as n plus 2n square. We all know that if I put n equal to 1 in this formula, if I put n equal to 1 in this formula, I will get sum of one term. If I will put s equal to 5, n equal to 5 in this term, I will get sum of 5 terms. If I put n equal to 15, I will get sum of 15 terms of the same AP. So if I put n equal to 1 in this guys, do you agree with me? I will get s1. And that will be equal to what guys? 1 plus 2 into 1 square. 1 plus 2 into 1 square. So you will say that will be equal to 3. And what is the sum of first term of an AP? You will say first term itself. Yes or no? Okay, I am writing an AP for you. 5, 9, 13, 17. What is the three terms of this? What is the sum of three terms of this AP? You will say sum of three terms is 27. Sum of two terms is 14. Sum of one term is 5. So do you agree with me? Sum of one term equal to the first term only. Sum of one term is equal to first term only. First term of this AP only. So if I am putting sum of first term, sum of one term is 3 only. It means the first term is 3 itself. What is sum of two terms guys? Sum of two terms must be equal to 2 plus 2 into 2 square. That will be equal to 4 to the 8 and 2, 10. And that will be equal to sum of two terms guys. So do you agree with me guys? If my first term is 3 and my sum of two terms is 10, it means my second term must be 7. So here guys, we have come to know about the first term and the common difference 4 guys. And question is asking which term is going to be the multiple of 9 guys, or the nth term of the progression is divisible by 9, then the smallest possible value of n is what guys? So first term is 3, second term is 7, third term we all can calculate. Just do plus 4 sir, 11. So it is 13. 11 then 15. Sir 15 is not multiple of 9 guys. Just cancel this option. Cancel this option. Then after 15, 19, then 23, then 27. So you will say sir, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Seventh term we have got the multiple of 7. N equal to 7 is the correct answer guys. Seventh term is the correct answer for this question. N equal to 7 is the correct answer. So this is the one way to solve this question guys. Let's have one more method guys. Very basic method this was. I hope it is crystal clear to each and every one. Let's have one more method guys. Let's have one more method. Do you agree with me guys? Do you agree with this formula? The nth term must be equal to sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. Sum of n terms minus sum of n minus 1 terms. So you will say sir, how this will be correct? Let's explain this beta. Let me explain that. Students, if I am writing an AP here like 5, 11, 17, 23, and I am asking you what is the sum of what is, just check the sum beta, plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay, now what is the sum of 4 terms of this series? So you will say sum of 4 terms of this series will be 56. 11 plus 5, 16 plus 17, 33 plus 23, 56. So sum of 4 terms is nothing but 56. And sum of 3 terms is what guys? 33. So how easy this is? If I subtract the sum of third term, sum of 3 terms from sum of 4 terms, I will get the fourth term. Yes or no? Do 33 minus 56 minus 33, you will get 23 for sure. How easy this is? Yes or no? So if I want to find out the generalized term for the nth term, just write the sum of n terms beta. Sum of n terms is given as n plus 2n square. So if I put n equal to n minus 1 in this, it will be equal to sum of n minus 1 terms. So n minus 1 plus twice of n minus 1 whole square. This must be equal to nth term, guys. Just solve this. N plus 2n square minus n minus 1 plus twice of n square minus 4n plus 2. I hope it is clear to you guys. Just check this calculation, guys. N minus 1 plus n minus 1 whole square is n square minus 2n plus 1. So just we have multiplied by 2 only, so it will be this, like this only. Now n square, it's not n square, it is n only. Very good, very good. It is n only. N plus 2n square. This minus will go inside, minus n plus 1 minus 2n square plus 4n minus 2. Some terms are getting cancelled, sir. Let's cancel them. You will say n and n is getting cancelled, 2n square and 2n square is getting cancelled. Ultimately what we are getting? We are getting 4n minus 1. So the nth term is nothing but 4n minus 1. We have got the nth term of this series beta. On putting n equal to 4, will I get the multiple of 9? So we will check what beta. If we will put n equal to 7, guys, we are getting the seventh term, and the seventh term will be what beta? 7 4s are 28 minus 1 27. That's why the seventh term is multiple of 7. That will be divisible by 7, guys. I hope it is crystal clear to you guys. We are going to meet you in the next video with some more amazing questions and concepts. Till then, bye bye, take care. Thank you so much, guys.